Hey friends, how's it going? We are taking you on our day today. It's gonna be a day in the life with recipes and all the fun stuff. We are packing to head to a few stores. We need to go to Hobby Lobby. We have a Target pickup, and then we also have to go to Lowe's because we have a few things that we're doing for the chicken coop, and then we're gonna do some porch decor with I don't know, decorating for fall, I guess you could say, but we're gonna get some spooky things in there as well. So we're super excited, right buddy? Are you ready? Yep, so then we are gonna get going here and take you throughout our day. I know you love spending the day with us, so cheers to apple cider and water, and let's get going. Okay, we are in the car trying to get it cooled down. It's 98 again, so we just have that like burst of heat happening. But I did want to say today is Operation Be Productive. We've been trying to get things clean in the house, but since moving the chicks and ducks outside, we need to get the garage clean as well. And then I did want to stop at the farm stand for our porch decor. We like to do things that either we can reuse or we can consume. So we love pumpkins. We love to eat pumpkins, but they look really nice too. So I'm going to go to my farm stand. They have an all organic operation. I love their pumpkins. They have so many different varieties, and I'm really not sure where I'm going with this, but sometimes we carve pumpkins, but at the end of the season we always use our pumpkins because first of all, we love pumpkin seeds, and second of all, pumpkin puree all year around is really helpful because we do a lot of recipes with that. So sorry, I don't know what's going on here. I'm hot. So yeah, if you want some porch decor, I think now is the time, or maybe wait until October. You can find a lot of pumpkins on sale, and they also do it by weight. I suggest trying to find a farm or a farm stand, because at the grocery store and Target and things like that, they're pretty uniform. Maybe you like that kind of thing. I'm more into the unique and odd varieties. So I mean, it's up to you. If you get them at the grocery store, you're gonna pay probably $5 to $10 a pumpkin. At my Kroger right now, I saw them for $15. So I don't know, that's not really something that I want to be paying for. So we're gonna stop at the farm stand. We're going to Lowe's. We are going to Hobby Lobby. Please tell me if any of you know, do they not do their coupons anymore? They used to pop up in my app and they're not there. I know like everything is on sale there most of the time, but let me know. Let me know if they do random coupons and I'm just missing out on them. So we need to get gas. We are ready to go. Are you excited?
Can we go this way?
We're gonna go this way. Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
Okay, all right, here we go.
Okay.
Back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again, driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control, I'm speeding fast to chase my soul, I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go, I'm fighting another day. The neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. What can I do for you?
No worries. Can I please have a tall iced coffee with no simple syrup?
Absolutely. What else can I do for you?
Can I do a pump of pumpkin in there?
Absolutely. What else can I do for you?
Do you have the owl cake pop?
I do.
Can we do one of those, please?
Yeah.
And then that's going to be all. And the Statue of Liberty. Thank you. And a polka dot one.
We have so many ducks. I don't know where they come from.
We have so many ducks.
So many dogs.
Yeah, they have little tiny ducks, huh?
Do you need a receipt too?
No, thank you.
$10.
You can tell him something short.
What's your name?
I'm Evan. What's your name?
Wilder.
Oh, yeah, firefighter.
A firefighter one, yeah.
Awesome.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Bye. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll do sis like that. Quick, sis.
Mommy, don't break his nose.
Why? I tried my best, honey. Here you go.
Oh.
Okay, who's ready for pumpkins?
Me.
Woohoo! So exciting. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's busy.
To get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm trying to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams
We are outside now, just enjoying the day. I'm editing a video. Y is fixing a truck, right? I just looked over and he was doing that. It's pretty incredible.
Mom, look at
He loves to take things apart. He knows how too. Good job.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. And this one's just enjoying a lollipop, huh?
I have a lot.
We're just watching the chicks from a distance. There they are. Yeah. Oh, got my broccoli right there. Just loving the hazy weather.
brighter somewhere. To somewhere. Nothing from the past can hurt us anymore. We're free of what we lost. Not anything or anyone will hold us back, no matter what the cost. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way.
All right, we're kind of starting with a blank slate here. We have some trucks and some dead looking plants and such that we're repurposing. The amaranth is going strong, so I'm not going to go really heavy on this area of decor. I'm just going to leave it, let it ride its course. I'd like to put some mums in here and then some mums over here, but we'll see. And then here's what I got. I got mums from Target. Honestly, the cheapest I've found from Target. Sorry, big truck. I got some hay barrels, 50% off. Brought them down to like $6 or something like that. And then I just got some of this brown wheat. We're gonna fill the rest of them with some of our sunflowers, but I'm gonna spray paint some pumpkin buckets right now that I got at Target for $1. Okay, so we have some off-white Krylon, and then I just have these buckets. You can get them at Target right now, and they have 15% off the Eek and Boo collection, which is part of this. So I'm gonna spray paint these. These are gonna be little flower baskets. All right, I wanted to get a little festive for the girls in here, and I wanted a separate setup for the chicks, but we put little pumpkin things on here, and that way they both can have their own spot because the ducks are so messy. And then on top there, I put like my old mirror. If you're new here, I made this mirror with Krylon looking glass, but I heard chicks really like to check out their own feet. So I put this here and we'll see if they enjoy it. Just a fun activity for them. It is quite a bit later, looking extra fluffy because of my shower, but I'm going to show you outside how the porch kind of turned out so far. We're waiting for those pumpkin buckets to dry, and then we're going to fill them up with some, I don't know, some things from the garden that have died off. I think that's the best bet. And then some of those brown things that I got, I don't know if they're like brown wheat. I think that's what they're supposed to be replicating, but that was $4. So I'm gonna get that going. My husband's on the new schedule, so he gets home very late for dinner and I'm usually not awake. So I'm gonna make something and put it in the crock pot so he can grab it, if that makes sense. I just want him to have something home cooked. They're really long hours and you know, he deals with a lot in his job. So I did want to say I've been spending my night editing photos because I've been taking photos again and I've just been loving it. I did a senior session, so I brought that computer up and I've been doing a lot there. So that is what I'm going to show you. I'll show you the porch and then I'll show you what I'm making for my husband in case any of you are in my shoes. And then I will just get to working on those photos for the night and then editing, all of the things. Okay, we are illuminated by the night. Of course, the Hess trucks are here, but I don't know. I just have some things happening here. That amaranth is just dying off. Wild are potty trained out here, and I just have a tiny feeling that may be why, but who knows? I don't want to blame them. Then we have the mums here, some mums there, a mum in the howdy boot, a mum over here, and then the gigantic amaranth. And then all together, I think it looks really nice. Let me see if I can do this here. And then we'll just do pumpkins throughout this area here. I thought that would be pretty. So love how it came together. And then with the wreath, I think it looks super cute.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while.
Okay, a lot of noises happening, but you saw how easy dinner was. It's not like technically homemade, but I wanted something warm for him to come home to. And in the spirit of trying to be productive while the meat was cooking, I was doing the dishes because I've come to the age where I can't wake up to a dirty kitchen. It really bothers me. So I was doing that, and now I am sitting down. I have a candle. I have an online class that I have been taking, and it can be in the form of a podcast, if that makes sense. I've actually taken a sequence of 3, and while I'm editing photos, I'm listening to it, and it's through my graduate program, well, my old graduate program. I got my master's at Western State, and they offer like these random free courses, and one piqued my interest a few months back, and it was cybersecurity. I wanted to just be a little bit more confident when it came to computers. I've taken, the dishwasher is going, I've taken like an ethics and law cybersecurity course, and now we are talking about IP tracking and just ways to, you know, cover your bases. And my last course before this one was cybersecurity and social media. So I'm really excited. I'm learning a lot. It's very eye-opening, especially when you're coming from the YouTube front. You know, we talk about followers and subscribers and flags to look for and things like that. You know, a lot of people don't go by their real name, which I kind of, you know, you all know my name is Tori by now, so it's a little tricky, you know, and there's a lot of different opinions in the course, which I'm loving. So I'm listening to that, and I'm editing photos, and I am exhausted, to be honest with you. So I'm sitting here. I still have my apple cider and water. I've just been really enjoying that for the fall season. And yeah, I think that's it. I think we are gonna wrap it up here. Let me know if you enjoyed today's day in the life with some recipes. You know, they are my favorite thing to film. I feel like there's so many of you, and some of you don't watch the day in the lives, which I get. Like, that's not your cup of tea, but I don't know how to like reel you in to watch it, because I do have information in these videos. It's not just me like sitting in on the couch, and I answer a lot of questions that I get in those vlogs. So, you know, if you're ever curious, if I ever get a chance not to answer your questions, or a lot of people ask for recipes, I do them in these vlogs. So please just give them a chance. If you have a moment to watch them, that would mean the world to me. So I'm going to drink my cozy fall drink here. I'm going to light a candle, listen to this amazing, I'm a lifelong learner. I always will be. So it's just very humbling to be in 2022 to have this information literally at your fingertips. I don't think, well, I think a lot of people my age take that for granted. So yes, there are a lot of free courses out there. I encourage you to look for something you're interested in. I started my first one with how to make bread, and not an expert, but now I know how to make bread. But yeah, I'm going to close it out here. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.